A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, W, I, Y, and Z. Wait. A, B, C, D, E.
She claimed to be a pharmacy graduate, but couldn't even finish the alphabet. Police caught her speeding into oncoming traffic, and while she insisted on having only 2 glasses of wine, the physical tests told a different story. Watch the full body cam breakdown of this routine stop turned chaotic arrest. Let's get into it.
Pennsylvania registration. Gotcha. Where's that? Oh, no, yeah, New York. Is there any because we smell the alcohol coming from you?
Yeah, I had 2 glasses of wine.
Okay. Well, there's nothing wrong with having 2. Is there any problem?
It's okay. I'll do whatever you want me to do.
Okay. I see we're in high heels. Are you comfortable now?
Yes.
If I have you do any balance test, would you be okay?
Absolutely.
I'll give you the option to take them off.
Absolutely.
Okay. This is not an assumption on my part or a knock. Did you graduate high school?
I'm from pharmacy school, yes.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
So you know the alphabet then, right? The English alphabet?
Yes.
Okay. Can you just recite it from the letter A to the letter Z straightforward without singing?
A to what?
Z.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, W, I, Y, and Z. Wait. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Hold on. Damn, I haven't done this ABC for a long time. I was like, A, B, C,
Yeah, I'm 48.
D, F, F, G, A, na, 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 Z, E, I, na, 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 na. Now I know my ABCs. Na, 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 na. I'm sorry, I just haven't done the ABCs in a long time.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll just chalk it up that you haven't done it in a long time.
Yeah, I have sometimes so long. I'm so sorry.
Okay, yeah, because that was butchered.
I'm so sorry.
All right, I'm just going to have you check your eyes real fast. I see you wearing glasses. Oh, perfect. I'm just going to check it. So that I'm just looking for the status. So I'm just going to ask you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. Okay. You see my finger, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to ask you to do a couple of field sobriety tests that basically you have. Is that okay with you?
Absolutely.
Again, I'm going to give you an option to but only if you want to.
Wait, is it better to take my shoes off?
Would you feel comfortable?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
All right, for the first test, I'm just going to ask you to place both feet together, just like this.
Like this?
Yep.
Okay.
When I tell you to, you're just going to raise one leg off the ground about 6 inches. Okay? You're going to keep it straight out, just like this. When I tell you to, you're going to count 1,000, 2, 1,000. When I do this, don't do it like that.
Okay. Sorry.
You're going to count 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. And you're going to continue to count until you stop.
Okay.
While you do it, just make sure your hands are at your sides. Keep your eyes on your raised foot and count 11. Okay? You understand all that?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
So 1,000, 2,000, 3,000? Is that right?
Yeah, whatever foot you feel comfortable with, I want you to raise it about 6 inches just to keep that straight.
Okay. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. 1,000, 2,000. I'm sorry, my balance is so off. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000.
Why do you think you're having your balance is so far?
I haven't done gym in a long time. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000. My balance is so off.
You can stop. Yes, you're right.
So balance is so off.
No, you're right. It is.
It's really off.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. I think you're good enough. If you step right where my light is,
Okay.
You good for me?
Yes.
All right. So, just turn to face this. So next step I'm going to do, next thing is right from your left. Just look at me. All expect when I tell you to. I want you to walk 9 steps heel toe, just like this.
Okay.
On your 9th step, turn around. A series of small steps.
Okay.
I just demonstrated for you, right?
Okay.
You're going to walk 9 heel toe steps back. Okay.
Okay.
On your 9th.
On my turn around, right? Okay.
Yep. You're going to turn around. While you do it, keep your eyes on your feet, arms at your side, and just count step out.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You want me to turn around, right?
Yep, just like I demonstrated.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then turn around.
Yep. You don't have to cross your feet, you go forward like that. Right. Why do you think you're having so much difficulty with the test?
I'm having difficulty with the A, B, and C because I haven't done it so long. I'm sorry. That's the only thing I'm having trouble with.
I mean, but you write every day, right?
I don't because I'm in the pharmaceuticals company. I don't really do that every day, but
Well, then do me a favor, don't write any prescriptions if you can't do it. Right? No, no.
yeah.
So it has to be more than a reason for that. So I can smell it really strong from you. I know wine smells stronger than anything else, but I think you've had more than 2. You don't have to agree with me. You don't have to disagree with me. But I'm just watching. So not just that, but your inability to maintain your balance on some of these tests was not good. So again, I'm going to ask you, why do you think that is?
So we were on a dinner cruise.
Okay, where
Yeah,
at?
and I'm really, really sorry. I just want to get home to my family.
Me too.
Yeah, I just want to go home to my family, and I apologize that I couldn't do the ABCs because I don't do that every day.
Okay, what about the balance?
I can do the balance again if you want me to.
No, we're done. I mean, we did them all.
Yeah, I can do the balance.
Okay. I mean, you had a real hard time with the one like stand, like you couldn't even maintain the balance for them 7 seconds on.
Can we do it again? I can do the
No, I
balance
think
again.
I'm just asking you, why do you think you had it fine? Pretty straightforward.
Okay. I mean, I was on a dinner cruise and I just had just wine, and that's all. I promise you, that's all I had.
But no, that's fine.
Yeah.
But you start having 3 or 4 glasses of wine. That's now a bottle of wine. You know what I mean?
No, I had 2 glasses.
Okay. How long ago?
2 hours ago, so I was driving for 2 hours.
Okay, so I assume it was in New York then.
It was in New York, yes.
Okay. All right. And why would you? Speeding is one thing. Everybody speeds. I get it. Going a little too fast in the area. You hit a deer. He's going to creep you. But the officer, you observed her driving oppositely.
Yes. When you took a turn, you took it wide. So wide, in fact, that when you got to the intersection of 29 and Bridge Street, you were in the opposite lane of traffic.
Why do you think that was?
Honestly, I just want to get home. I'm from New York. I just want to get home to my family. My family's
Where's that at?
Philadelphia. That's where they live.
Okay. I just don't know why you're going this way to Philadelphia then,
Yeah.
from New York. I just would have taken the turnpike down.
So my original address is 13203 Sanford Ave, Flushing, New York. I live in.
All right. So, officer, what would you like to do?
At this point, based on my observations, all right, I'm placing you under arrest for DUI. Okay?
Serious.
Yep. Serious. Go ahead and turn around for me, all right?
That's my parents right now.
Go ahead and turn around for me.
Okay. Is the car registered to you?
Yes, it's ready for
Okay.
me.
Go ahead and turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, no, they haven't received it.
Okay. You give permission for them to drive the car.
Oh my God. I'm sorry.
Give me your other arm. Turn away from me.
Do you give permission for them to drive the car? Okay, perfect. Then that way I don't have to. That's why I'm asking. So we don't have to do that.
They haven't been drinking, you said?
No, I haven't been drinking. you serious right now?
So
Very serious.
you're going to be brought to have given the opportunity to give a breath test to this to determine the content of alcohol in your blood. Again, it's based on your driving.
I'm just gonna double lock these so they don't move on me, but they're actually at the last link. Alright, come on. Where'd you go this way?
Oh my god.
You can't even walk straight right now.
I can't.
Come on, stop.
I can't.
Come on.
I can't.
What's that, Sarge? Yes, sir.
I can't.
Go ahead and have a seat. Do you have anything on you? Any weapons or anything like that?
I don't.
No? Okay. Alright, sit tight for me. Alright.
What's your first name? Catherine, here's your glasses. Do you want me to put them on you, or
Sure, yeah.
you use them for?
Just work.
Oh, okay. One more question. Do your parents speak English?
No. I feel really bad for them.
All right. What do they speak?
Vietnamese?
Vietnamese.
Okay.
I have a translation app.
So do I.
Yeah, okay. Alright, Catherine, I'm going to read you your rights right now, okay? You have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer any questions. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with an attorney at any time and have him present before and during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided if you so desire prior to any questioning. A decision to waive these rights is not final, and you may withdraw your waiver whenever you wish, either before or during questioning. Do you understand your rights?
I do understand.
Alright, put your feet on, please. Is there anything you need from the car? Cell phone?
Cell phone? I don't know.
Alright, just be honest, have your parents been drinking?
No, my parents have not been drinking.
At all?
They don't even drink.
They don't drink?
They don't even drink.
Okay. Alright. Arrested for DUI.
That's why now I can drive home.
Well,
No.
you can,
I'll wait for her.
yeah, what I'm saying, I mean, you can go home when, you're free to leave whenever. I figured that she's gonna be brought back here so that you can drive her home once she's done. So it should be maybe an hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
And then,
here.
yeah, and then she'll,
Wait here. When,
yeah, and then she'll back here. Like I said, you can either wait in your car or you can wait in the lobby.
Okay, no, in my car.
Okay, alright, if you need anything, just knock, okay?
In the restroom inside.
Yeah, there's restrooms inside.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Show me.
Yeah. Well, the door locks, so just knock on the door and I can let you in, okay? Yeah, straight ahead. Yep. The address. The city and the state. And then you can read over the liability. Just need your signature there, stating that she's being released to you. Okay, let's see.
The traffic stop concluded with the driver being placed under arrest for driving under the influence. Despite her claims of only consuming 2 glasses of wine on a dinner cruise, her performance during the field sobriety tests provided officers with probable cause for the arrest. Because her parents did not speak English, officers utilized translation technology to ensure the family understood the legal situation and the process for her eventual release. The vehicle was turned over to her family to avoid impoundment. This case serves as a reminder of the dangers of impaired driving and the strict enforcement measures taken by local patrols to keep the roads safe.